Sabrina Soto. I'm here at College Heights Christian School in Joplin, Missouri to surprise Mrs. Limkeman, a second grade teacher here, with an entire classroom makeover.
The Velcro brand chose Mrs. Limkeman as the winner for the classroom makeover because of her devotion to education and truly the passion she has for her students.
Mrs. Limkeman 4 years ago lost her home. It was completely destroyed in the tornado. She immediately bounced back. You wouldn't even really know that it was a tragedy to her because she has a super positive spirit. She works all year long just to serve her kids. She absolutely loves teaching.
I am adding a lot of new desks for the kids. We have an entire reading nook, a tablet nook for kids to be able to use technology. We have a new flat screen TV for a weather station, as well as a brand new whiteboard. And then of course I have tons of organizational solutions for not only Mrs. Limkeman, but also for the kids. I'm also going to incorporate tons of Velcro brand products into the school to make every piece interactive for the teacher and the students.
Welcome to your new classroom.
Oh my goodness! Oh, this is grand! I feel great about this classroom. I've always wanted these flower-shaped tables. I love having groups where I can get to the kids and work with them. The space is wonderful. The storage is wonderful, and all the supplies are great.
The Velcro brand is all about making amazing connections all over the world, and now through the classroom makeover, we're honored to be part of the Joplin community.